Fiana mi novinho no Paulao. But do we zona mi cover a Vaniga TVG, Shani, Aluga Huyama. Akpenami. Egba manufum cho Ghana film industry. Ebebe Ghana de film industry le Ghana. Nebi amadoba amadoba awo. Aka amasiaba klepe susue. Nkata awabe Nusian Beglan le Ghana film industry alo the creative arts industry ama Nusian le Beglan. Nkanya nu yaka Beglan. Ameoke oje be wano amonu industry players onua. Bokwa me ma ko dungo ke bu ameoke experience adakama losio onyame oke la fima. Tavana anugede va Beglan. Apart from her, whenever government na gabe no aman film walao le Ghana as royalty. In fact, mokweneo a gaba china am very do dumalo, especially leaders so o kunyame oke honagama wama kebon actors wa mokwana gumele a gama omo. In fact, anya nu ekel discouraging akabe bianye ban kata government matia a create forum alo platform ekebe wa a collect alo ho data ameokel film wom le Ghana mo sogbo film wala le Ghana mo sogbo you film what ho amasiama per data na government na nyabo maybe am 15 am 50 am 100 enya make le Ghana wana senior alo film nga ka fi government matia wonuma. The government on Made Yakoba annual pan. But the year 2020, government passed bill into law, parliament, by $50,000 million. I call support Ghana film allow allow creative arts industry. Gaka Badas Refifia. You make Karajiba mother pogumele a gamma omo. A benyebe a ga or release or the silent one. No, the silent day, fiki or two, make you pogumelema. I'll call about way. I'll wedding and all about way, ma. La copper one film industry le Ghana beglan la be via deck Zaza a bo palmany view. Mawa digital melio, multi TV melio, decoder melio, tanabe amoplena CD, amotobe cassette, oplena cassette, oplena CD pa, nabe film wala opona jijo no nyebo wo film jijo popole, ata our film fifila no akpo fega, akpo videology, aka because of the decoder creator tomo multi TV digital magatanta evana industry ever in the Anyiba Echagomocho 2014 2021 year no nyebe local series producers allo TV content producers yeah or release projects aba obi are involved TV station or in fact or discourage na producers so ebe onyebe make them star kill them face kelema allo you mo have sponsors na upper programmer. In fact no nyebe Ghana content multiple sponsors so allo mo dizimbe wa partner with local producers so foreign one ya bon se ke manye Ghana to manye to come view per to utipona airtime ne utipona sponsors ne ado vivile mu a high pay alebe sponsor sona go yakenu ike Ghana VGGO wela enye kosiano sorry enye nu ike mo like o na name all about anyema na ila outside ele nenema awo outside maybe Nigeria Togo ya Africa enu ike nye to come view to a ohwene mo one outside to demo Ghana kolumala nkata olebenu yakatana no jima no yebenu yala jide alaka producers so oga atia produce me if you fiaba Ghana fia amomole produce na quality film play series so amoli pa nkata all about nyene ma sometimes kra ha star so ha problem sigale sike mo wo doppler producer de ko nye if first time wo yo ma o ti charge na mama afọ me ne mo ho na mo no yi producer make wo doppler vu a do mo kana fa na bu jo ko no TNT aba oni ya no akene wa make mo doppler ko ye lo yo for the first time wo lo charge ga if na glo no bo ye budget yin ya mo afima goji pomo kaya pomo le konye be o ga ka ho wa charge alo underrate so mo lo pogale na ke mo bugale na mi mo le bonye ne ma le bonye ne mo dani kata eval yana industry eval anyiba yi la plan Ghana film industry alo creative art industry mele attached to mele affiliated to any university tanabe na mesi amacho ya bia wonana amanya ha cho e bia wonana amara alia edo man ya follow director de si de kazefe ta akpon de cover abuna be o makata anya film wo we ma gake agade me pass from we ke le film wo me I have idea to talk ata amanya no mo ta o ti cho na kwa wonana emeko onye na man ka geography leaders your Kenya leaders if you may have a national film authority nka geography opo na de mo le fanshimo manyan ka o mo lo le ko la film ako jiru afaham no manya odo no nka geography matala masiama fufu nkata play marketers may have qualified or experienced marketers so le Ghana film industry creative art industry Tana enu gede mele eji malo no even marketers olia onya me kwati adu move out and market a content ekwe alebe amwati onka afli maybe apli alo or partner producers or alo content owners so alebe won ati akpo video alo opega ka okode project ama akan makata de kamali alo azo am be nye be amekata jidudua now appointment ko ku the creative art industry ahụ madakuku na Mr. President alo jidu Ghana jidudua be ministry de siada madakuku maganya solely for political party nanye indigenous citizens of Ghanaians alo nanya Ghana fiji opoto alo citizens of Ghana no benefits there no see anuma the moment ya ka no see anunye political no ya kala alo political affair afima ha a carry question mark wele ba onye ne mo dakla ha amagede masa film wo gomele Ghana dan man ta ovona lebo ali o invest over gala film wo ma and I'm watching le gademo mata producer amarelia story lesi aka epa career ma makpo help makpo sponsor support alo investor deko time to alagbagba jembe awon luciano alagbagba epa content alo epa project na tia onka ado wenya market before too no even amwas film wo alo creative art industry agomalo especially film wo gomele Ghana my carriage be problem get as solve for Hollywood Bollywood difference are come sound le pepe there is no corruption and man tita ko ba madel le film won alo le creative art industry ma hu ya ke khemole ne alo ga ke komola everyday pom chuma ka Ghana peko amagede opo jilonya opo ntimonya be amea e film won I wanna stage performance ejina ha ga kemena na ka komlemo nkata lo banye ne ma mele banye ne ma odi mele banye ne ma crown for example imagine my American ko ga for example Abraham Atta Ghana VGG small boy if a film de kape ke wol Ghana fia ye vo discover ga gba de film a enye billionaire if you American no lo ma be Ghana na the film agba de afi call la anofima egbanye big boy ever mole film over centuries over 20 years, 30 years. If you know a get up account, my brand, 10 cities, grammar, Opo Garakala Ghana, Madakuku, Luciano, all very simple. Ghana, me so bo. Me have every resources. Me have Luciano, Ghana fear. I get the right people. Madakuku. Now you know, Mr. President. Now you know the government of Ghana. Me choose the right people. Me assess. I'm a Siama. Give me a net position. I make as on a position there should be check and balances, monitoring team, and make sure Luciano is on point. Akpenami, ebenibati venia semen. Tanya toyo na nyebe CVIST, CVIST, CVIST in your corner.